Hey, it's Norbert Orlowitz here, and in this short video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps of creating a custom audience and based on the visitors to your website. So I'm going to assume, first of all, that you've got a website, a blog, or a capture page, and that you're getting traffic or sending traffic to that website. So if you're doing any type of paid advertising, if it's solo ads, Facebook ads, Twitter ads, anything like that, or if you're out there creating content and getting traffic to your website to that content, then I highly recommend that you get started with this because it's going to maximize your return on investment and your conversions and the different ways that you can get in touch with and put your promotions in front of interested, high quality people that have already visited your website. So what we're going to do is you need to have a Facebook marketing account. If you don't, you want to head over to facebook.com/advertising, log into your Facebook account and set up your advertising account. Okay, that's the first thing you need to do. Now, if you already have one, you can do this inside the Power Editor or inside your Ads Manager. All we're going to do is head on over to Audiences. And inside Audiences, what we're going to do is head on over to where it says Create Audience, and we're going to select Custom Audience. Now we get to choose the type of audience we want to create on Facebook. If we already have an email list, then we can actually import our emails into this and use a customer list. But we're not going to do that in this one. We're going to use website traffic. We're going to create a list of people who visit our website or specific pages on our website. So we'll just give this one a name, and I'm going to name this for my blog, which is the IMPB blog. So anyone that visits any of my pages on my blog, I want to be able to put them into this audience. So anyone who visits my websites, here's where I can choose people who visit specific web pages. So for instance, if I want to track people who visit my opt-in page, then I can do that and I can put in the URL right in here. Okay, but we're not going to do that. We're going to do this for anybody who visits any page on my blog. Now, since I select that, I don't need to put the domain in here. Then the last thing you need to choose is the number of days that people will remain in that audience after they visit my website. Since this is a general audience and I'm going to be running different types of promotions, with different articles and different promotions that I'm doing, I want to do this for as long as possible. So I'm going to put in the maximum here, which is 180 days. So now anyone that visits any page on my blog, on my website, they're going to be in this audience for 180 days, and I can advertise to them. I can send them specific notices, promotions, notices of webinars I'm doing, events that are happening, and new articles that I put out. I'll also select this include past website traffic to get the maximum bang for my buck here. And then all I need to do is select create audience. What's going to happen now is I'm going to click OK right there, and you'll see that I've got this new audience here, IMP blog. It doesn't have any people in it. What we need to do right now is go ahead and grab the pixel details. So I'll click on that. And all I need to do is grab this code right here. And now what we need to do is put this code onto our website. Now, I'm going to assume that most of you are using WordPress. Now, depending on the theme that you're using, your theme might have an option to embed this code into the header. What you need to do is put this into the header of every single page. Now, I'm using Optimized Press for this website. You'll have to check out with your theme if there's a way to do this. Inside of Optimized Press, it's really easy. I simply go into Analytics and Tracking, and I can just paste that header code right in here, and that's going to be on every single page of my blog and of my website right here. So I'll just go ahead and click Save Settings, and there we go. That code is now on every single page, and Facebook is now tracking every visitor that visits my website. Now, if you don't have this option in your theme, there's a couple of other things you can do. If you're familiar with modifying code on your WordPress blog, you can simply go into Appearance and go into your editor, find the header PHP file, and go ahead and add the code in there and click Update File. Now, if you don't know anything about coding, I would not recommend you do that. What you can do is you can go ahead and install a plugin. That plugin is called Header and Footer Scripts. And there it is right there. So we can just go ahead and install that. You'll be able to modify the settings, and you'll be able to add that code into the header for every single page on your blog. Now, if you're using ClickFunnels or lead pages and you've got a capture page that you're sending traffic to, you might as well start building an audience with those visitors as well. What I'd recommend is you create a unique audience, create a different audience for that, grab the pixel code for that, and then head over into, if you're using ClickFunnels, head into your ClickFunnels account. This is an offer page that I've got. So all you got to do is open up the editor, and inside the settings, you'll simply go to tracking codes and enter that code right in the custom tracking header area right there. Then go ahead and click save, and that'll be done. If you're using lead pages, go ahead into the editor for your page, go under lead page options, select tracking codes, and paste that code right into the head tag right there, and then you're done. Save your page, and Facebook will start building that audience. And that's it. You are set up, and Facebook will now be tracking all of the visits on your website. And what you'll be able to do after a few days, you'll be able to see that people have been added to this audience. Then when you go and create ads inside of Facebook, or you want to promote posts, when you create ads, you simply select this audience as a custom audience that you advertise to. And once you have a good sized audience in there, you will see incredible conversions. Now, you want to start doing this right away. It's just like we stress the importance of building a list right from the beginning with all the traffic that you're getting to a website. Even if you're just getting started, you want to start building an email list right away. Well, with this retargeting method, you absolutely want to be doing this right away, so that you can start building this audience. And whenever there's a promotion or something new happening, a new product launch, something that you can promote, something that you can promote to that audience is going to convert so much better because they already have a relationship with you. They've already visited your website, and it just gives you another opportunity to get more touches to get your brand, your promotions in front of that high quality audience. So go ahead and get that set up and start building your custom audience right away.